Welcome back, ladies and gents, boys and girls. My name's Tom Dyer, and today we're making the LoGroni. The LoGroni. That is a Negroni, but with low alcohol. Still has alcohol in it, but it's not as strong as a regular Negroni, hence the name LoGroni. Anyway, enough messing about. Let's jump straight in. So it goes into a short glass. We want to get that nice and cold. So a couple of blocks of ice in there. And then, if you want, just get a little stirry stir. Kicking off with our sweet vermouth. Normally in a Negroni you would have equal measures, but in this one we're gonna have a shot of our sweet vermouth. We're gonna have a shot of our Campari. Instead of our gin, I'm using a non-alcoholic spirit. This one is called Cedars Wild. You can pretty much use any one you want, but I like this one. It gives a nice taste to it. It's quite distinctive. Gives another edge to the LoGroni. And I want to put in almost a double shot, boom, into this cocktail. All the specs for the cocktail will be in the description, so you can go and check that one out. Plus all links of where you can buy any of the equipment if you want to make this cocktail at home or build your own bartending kit. Anyway, we need to give this a stir. One more. Yes. And when we're stirring, we're obviously cooling down and we're diluting the cocktail. We need to take into account this isn't as boozy as a regular Negroni, so we may not need to dilute as much, but we do obviously want to chill the cocktail. So make sure you're tasting as you go. Oh yes, oh man. Woo. I haven't had lunch yet and this is delicious. All right, okay, we'll bring back our rocks glass, empty out any excess liquid, and then just strain this over the top. Oh, I love the color too. Garnish. We're gonna get an orange peel. We're gonna tidy up this orange peel. Bosh. Like so. Then we're gonna garnish, just spray those orangey goodness over the top of the drink. Then we can tidy this up, make it look nice and pretty. Bam! Just gonna tuck that in the side of the glass like so. That is the LoGroni. Low alcohol Negroni. You can drink a few more of these throughout the evening, but always drink responsibly, of course, because nobody likes a drunk person. And, well, let's try it because it looks delicious. Yes. I haven't had my lunch yet, and this is gonna be a nice little aperitivo before lunch, just to get me in the mood for a bit of food. Yes. Try it out for yourself, try out different non-alcoholic spirits and see which works for you, see which one you enjoy. Let me know if you have another recipe for a LoGroni or a non-alcoholic Negroni, and leave me a comment in the comments box below to let me know what that is. If there's any other cocktails you'd like to see me make on this channel, also drop it in the comments box. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, because then I'll love you forever. And before I go, I want to say a huge thank you to these legends who do support me over on my Patreon channel. There is a link in the description below if you want to get involved in that. But anyway, that is it. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you then.